Okay, now going on to the next step, which is controllable expenses. Now if you look down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see helpful formulas for 2.1. So we click on that. We're going to look at salaries and wages will increase by 4%. Here I've given you what the book has told you and I've highlighted it in yellow. So if we're going to increase salaries and wages by 4%, this is what it was before, and here I've given you the formula. So you can see you're going to do E20, which happens to be the previous year, and you're going to multiply it by 4% to give you the change, and then you're going to multiply it by 1.4% to get what the upcoming year is going to be. So if we go back to 2.1, we're going to do equals our current year times 0.04%. That gives you the change. And I'll show you one other way you can do it. So you can do current year plus the change gives you the upcoming year. Now for employee benefits, we'll go back to helpful hints and we'll go to number 4. The cost of employee benefits will increase but will continue to be the same percentages of salaries and wages. Alright, so we need to figure out employee benefits divided by salaries and wages. So let's go back to 2.1. And I'm pretty sure I've already done that here. So I've done, here you can see in the orange, which is employee benefits divided by salaries and wages, which is 25%. So here I'm going to go in the upcoming year, and I'm going to do salaries and wages times 25%. It's going to give me my new employee benefits. Now, other controllable expenses. Let's go back to the helpful hints. And we're going to go to other controllable expenses will increase by $6,500. So, go back to 2.1. Other controllable expenses. So here, we're going to do equals. This is what our current year is. And we're going to do plus 6,500. And there you go. Your total controllable expenses is going to be equals, and here I'm going to type in sum, whoops. And then if you do parentheses, and you can highlight the area that you want to add up, and then close the parenthesis, that'll give you your total. Now, income before occupancy costs. This is going to be our money that we have left over. So remember, we're going to keep subtracting as we go down. So I'm going to take, let me unzoom a little bit, my gross profit, and I'm going to subtract my total controllable expenses, and that's going to give me my income before occupancy costs.